Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see, and namely makes mapping out and answering a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was just yesterday, and then you look at where the price closed today, sure, it pulled back a little bit, but still relative to where it was to where it is right now, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely did make a good move today. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $2. Why is $2 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has true power, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $2. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or as let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And one final time, I promise, how am I defining and quantifying this phrase, make progress? Staying above $2. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. They seem to be namely right around $2.30, give or take a few pennies. But overall, resistance levels are not really the top priority right now. In my opinion, top priority is just going through healthy consolidations and starting to build higher bases. Because as long as higher bases are built over time, everything else will take care of themselves. So no doubt about it, nice move today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.